What is going on? Happy Super Bowl Sunday, everybody. Knocking this video out before the Super Bowl just in case, you know, whatever happens. But if you're watching this now, it's probably mid-Super Bowl or just after. Yeah, very excited. Hopefully the commercial's going to be great. Hopefully the game's going to be great. I'm very much looking forward to kind of, you know, I think it's going to be a really close game. I think Vegas still has it at 1.5. And like I said, by the time someone's watching this, it's going to be post. So that should be a lot of fun. So yeah, another pretty relaxed week, I guess, in the marketing, agency marketing world. Yeah, still just grinding away, trying to continue to find new business, the next big project, the next couple projects, hopefully coming up. And yeah, I think that's one of the biggest things I learned this week is, always try and plan a couple weeks ahead and try and always, it's, obviously it was a crazy end to last year, crazy start to this year. And now things are kind of leveling out, kind of mellowing out a little bit. So, just always trying to fill your calendar for the next month, the next couple weeks ahead, I think is super important. And one thing that I'm working on, everything is going well. Besides that, it's, we do have a couple little events. We got 4 watch parties today that we're hosting here in Denver. And then we have, a do tour coming up, which is going to be a lot of fun. Very cool project with that. And yeah, it's just content creation is also big right now. Just doing our best to create as much as possible. I think that's the other big thing, encouraging our clients to create, building out what those campaigns look like. AI continues to be a huge conversation on our conference calls, and trying to figure out how to implement AI into our everyday life when it comes to content creation, when it comes to content management, what to talk about, how to talk about it, the writing of the post. So AI has kind of been the hot topic, or the big kind of like key phrase this past week. So that's been fun. I've learned a lot about AI and the powers and kind of what we do. I think I talked about a lot of it last week, so I won't kind of go into that again, but continues to be, the big topic of conversation. I'm going to be interested to see if that manifests itself into the Super Bowl at all, or Super Bowl commercials. How funny would it be if like a car commercial came out and said, this commercial was created by AI. So yeah, I think that's going to be very interesting when it kind of comes to the landscape and what's coming up for Super Bowl. Yeah, it's just another week down, traveling next week out to Vegas. So hopefully we'll have a lot of actionable items next week. Hopefully do a lot of networking. I got cards that I've created to help fill my calendar for the next couple weeks, and just meet people and kind of learn what people are doing and just do a ton of networking. I joined also another networking group, an NFT project that I'm very excited about. That's a lot of small business owners and content creators, apparel owners. So I'm very excited about that. So yeah, this is the start of this year has been very heavy on networking. I met with 2 companies this week, and a current client this week as well. So yeah, I think it's just about getting out there, just networking, getting people, getting to know people, figure out where we fit in. And I think that's like what this year has pretty much started out as. It's been a lot of fun and just kind of like slowing down and figuring out the business. We're also off to our busiest Q1 so far this year that we have in the previous. Every single year we've grown, so very excited about that. And yeah, everything's great. It's when you kind of try and consolidate it down to 5 minutes, you miss a lot of things just because it's a lot of just work. But as far as like big pillars are concerned, those things are starting to come around, which is awesome. And yeah, I think just sticking with it and staying to it and not giving up and just fighting through all the kind of BS that business is all part of the game. So hope everybody's having a great day. Hope everybody's having a fun Super Bowl. Fly Eagles fly. We'll see if they can pull it off. And I got to get this video edited so that I can watch the Super Bowl here shortly. So hope everybody has a wonderful day, and we'll talk soon. Have a good one.